Hi Bulls, do you have a Florida prepaid plan and want to know how to use it at USF? This video will show you how. USF and Florida Prepaid have a partnership which makes using your prepaid plan easy. Using your social security number, USF will automatically link to the Florida prepaid system to identify USF students with a FLPP plan. Based on the number of hours you are registered for and the Florida prepaid plan you have, Florida Prepaid will provide the amount they will pay towards your USF bill. The amount FLPP will pay can be found in Student Self-Service by logging in from MyUSF. Under the Tuition and Fees section, under Account Summary, select View by Term. Then click on View Account by Term. Review the memoed amounts at the bottom of the page. The amount you see is what USF expects Florida Prepaid to pay on your behalf. To figure out how much you will need to pay using other sources, take your full account balance due on the Account Summary tab and subtract the memoed Florida Prepaid amount. Keep in mind that the amount Florida Prepaid will pay will automatically adjust if you change your registered credit hours. Florida Prepaid won't actually pay until the third or fourth week of the term. To make life easy for you as a prepaid plan participant, we will automatically extend your bill due date until the deferment bill due date, typically the 7th week of the term. This will allow your prepaid funds to post to your account as a payment, and then you can pay the remaining balance if there is one. A common question is, does Florida Prepaid pay your full tuition and fee charges? It does not. Some university fees are not included in your Florida Prepaid plan. Check out our PDF, which will show you how much your plan will pay at USF. If you are not sure which plan you have, please log into your account at myfloridaprepaid.com. Another common question is, can Florida Prepaid be used with Bright Futures and other financial aid? Yes, Florida Prepaid will pay the appropriate amount to your student account and will not impact your Bright Futures or other financial aid amounts. For those students with a Florida Prepaid housing plan, USF will automatically bill Florida Prepaid if you have prepaid dorm semesters available and have fall or spring dorm charges on your USF student account. If for some reason you do not want to use your Florida Prepaid plan for a particular term, you will need to complete and submit a Do Not Bill form, which can be found on the Student Accounting website. Using your Florida Prepaid plan will be a pleasant experience here at USF. If you have any questions or concerns about using Florida Prepaid, please reach out to the Student Accounting Services team at SFS, help@usf.edu. Thank you for watching, and go Bulls!